Oh.
Yeah. What should we draw now?
Okay, Tina, do you see yourself? I'm gonna erase it now. Tina?
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, Tina's deafened. Wait, we can...
Tina!
Tina... Undeafen.
Where are you at? Oh! What the heck? Wait, I pressed the wrong button!
Oh my god, we were like, why
we
are
were
you
talking
to you? Yeah, we were talking.
Wow.
We were Donald.
I was like, wow, it's so quiet and peaceful. Oh.
Erase mine, I can erase
Okay.
mine.
No. I wanted to know, because like, I don't want to like accidentally erase people's.
Oh.
Yeah. What should we draw now?
Okay, Tina, do you see yourself? I'm gonna erase it now.
Dun,
Tina?
Dun, dun. Tina's
Oh, Tina's
muted.
deafened.
Thank you, House Queenie, for the sub.
Wait, we can...
Tina!
Undeafen.
Where are you at? Oh! What the heck? Wait, I pressed the wrong button!
Oh my god, we were like, why aren't you talking to us?
Sorry,
Yeah,
I
we
was
were
like,
talk-
wow.
We were Donald.
I was like, wow, it's so quiet and peaceful. Oh! What the heck? Wait, I pressed the wrong button! I didn't know!
Oh my god, we were like, why aren't you talking to
I'm sorry!
you?
I was like, wow.
We were Donald.
I was like, wow, it's so quiet and peaceful. Oh, friendships, wow. And I was like, I guess I'll just imagine that there's cafe music playing in the background.
Wait, you can't erase mine.
Oh, wow, really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Alright, what should we draw next?
Anyways, Tina, I would say I'm gonna erase mine. Did you immortalize it in your brain?
Wait, I'm gonna screenshot it. Give me a second. I'm gonna save it.